Here's a step-by-step guide on how to decorate a cake with kiwi fruit, perfect for birthdays, summer parties, or a fresh and healthy twist on any cake. How to decorate a cake with kiwi fruit step-by-step. What you'll need for the cake: frosted cake vanilla, sponge, or fruit cake buttercream, whipped cream, or cream cheese frosting for the decoration, tutu for ripe kiwi, a small knife and spoon optional, strawberries, blueberries, mint leaves, or edible flowers. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Chill the frosted cake. Make sure your cake is fully frosted and chilled for at least 30 minutes. This keeps the frosting firm so the fruit doesn't slide. Step 2. Prepare the kiwi fruit. Peel the kiwis using a knife or spoon. Slice into even, thin rounds, around 3 to 5 millimeters thick. Pat slices gently with a paper towel to remove excess moisture. Important to avoid soggy cake. Step 3. Design layout. Choose one. Kiwi flower design. Arrange 5 to 6 kiwi slices in a circle on top of the cake-like petals. Place a strawberry, cherry, or blueberry in the center to form a flower. Kiwi spiral or ring design. Place kiwi slices around the edge of the top of the cake in a circular pattern. Create a spiral inward or layer in concentric circles. Half-side kiwi layout. Cover just half of the cake top diagonally with overlapping kiwi slices. Add mint leaves and edible flowers for a natural look. Step 4. Add other elements optional. Add other fruits like strawberries, raspberries, or blueberries for more color. Drizzle honey or light glaze over the fruit for shine. Decorate the cake base with piped cream and extra fruit slices. Step 5. Chill before serving. Place the decorated cake in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes to let everything set. Best served within a few hours so the fruit stays fresh. Pro tips: use firm kiwis to ripe and they'll become mushy. Use a sharp knife for clean, even slices. For extra shine, brush the fruit with apricot glaze or honey.